Welcome. Today, we're exploring a simple but powerful feature inside Google Chrome: how to view the data stored by websites. If you've ever wondered what kind of information Chrome keeps when you visit different pages, this quick guide will show everything step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or your mobile device. It doesn't matter which version you're using, the layout is mostly the same. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. That's the menu button that gives you access to Chrome's settings and tools. Next, choose Settings from that menu. This is where you'll find most of Chrome's customization and privacy controls. Inside Settings, scroll until you see Site Settings. Tap on it to open up all the options related to websites, everything from permissions to saved data. Now keep scrolling down until you find the section called Data Stored. This is where Chrome lists all the information different websites have saved in your browser. You'll see entries from sites you've visited recently, including cookies, cached files, and any small bits of information websites store to improve speed or remember your preferences. From here, you can tap on any website name to see exactly what kind of data has been stored.